Police outside! Click, click, click.
Officers raid a suspected cannabis factory in the West Midlands. Inside, over 100 plants, illegal wiring, and a Lithuanian national. The team moves in. A male is found inside, surrounded by the heat and smell of cultivation.
No! Stay there! Hands! Give me your hands now!
Okay, okay.
Right.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, sir.
Hello. Grantas.
Gus?
Name.
Grantas.
Grantas.
Yes.
Good morning. You're under...
He's arrested without resistance. Over 100 plants fill the upstairs rooms.
Question. Something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given...
Inside the home, officers found 169 cannabis plants growing across 5 rooms, with an estimated street value of over £140,000. The man was sentenced to 8 months in prison after admitting he was concerned in the production of cannabis. But here's the question. Do you think that sentence was too light, too harsh, or just right? Let us know in the comments.
Would you speak Polish? Lithuanian. You're detained for a search, a drug search, under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act. Give me your hand.
Sorry?
Give me your hand.
Okay.
Yeah, give me your hand. And you can do it.
What? What you doing? What you doing?
I'll explain.
What you doing?
Okay, we're searching you because you've been seen to meet several drug users along there and made off from police.
Police speak with a 17-year-old Lithuanian in Peterborough. He was stopped after acting suspiciously near a known drug area.
Okay. Taip, aš turiu tų narkotikų, bet aš juos susiradau ir suradau tuos narkomanus, galvojau, kai jie turės ir aš juos supratau ir viskas.
Yes, I have drugs, but I found them everywhere. I found them with drugs.
When asked what he was doing, he admitted finding the drugs and planned to sell them.
Just hold on to that. Okay, where are they? No.
Where? Translate.
No, where? Where are they?
they?
Where? Here? You got a bag ready.
The teen is arrested and taken into custody. Police suspect further connections to local supply networks.
Right, it's 11:42. Okay, you're under arrest for possession with intent to supply crack and heroin. So you don't have to say anything, but it may harm the offence. If you do not mention when questions to me later on in court, anything you do say may be given evidence. I'll give you that. I'll give you that.
Police approach a man seen lingering in a well-known drug hotspot in Peterborough. A stop and search is carried out as part of routine patrol.
Hello? You okay? Yeah? Oh, good. What are you up to? Anything exciting? Alright. So what are you three doing sat here then?
Chilling? What, can we not chill by the river anymore, is that?
I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
Them lads didn't take that in a bad way. I don't know why you're taking it as a dig, mate. I was just asking.
Because police always do this, man.
You can talk to me if you want.
I'm sorry, but you know what police are like, innit?
Yeah, he's not being bad, but
Yeah,
all
I'm
he's saying
sorry
is
if I
with
come
police.
off rude.
I mean, I'll tell you why we're here, essentially. We get a lot of Class A drug dealing right here. Okay? You two have both run away from us in this area and you've been found with weapons and drugs. You're a Class A drug user, or you were?
Yeah,
I don't know if you are anymore.
I'm on a script.
Okay. And obviously, as soon as we get here,
Run from you.
as soon as we get here, you walk off. So do you,
Picking up his thing that he
Alright.
just found out where we sat.
so do you see why I'm engaging with you? Because it makes me think, are they?
But boss, you said we ran away from you. And we never ran.
No, I was just saying why we're here.
But they keep-
Oh, yeah,
they
yeah.
keep it round with just 'cause someone
So
was
are you saying why? Do you understand why? Yeah?
No.
They're just doing their job as well, aren't they?
That's the thing, you know.
Nothing yet.
Lads, this is what's going to happen in a minute. Essentially, all three of you are going to be detained for the purpose of a search under Section 23 Misuse of Drugs Act. Hear me out. I'll tell you why. Alright? You can carry on eating while you listen. Right.
The man denies any wrongdoing, claiming he hasn't done anything. Officers continue the lawful search.
With just listen, with young lads, okay, which I think you're all young lads, okay. By your own admission, you were / are a Class A drug user. When I've got here, this gentleman's walked away under the bridge, okay, and you two have recently had interactions where you've had drugs on you, okay.
But how am I?
Because you're with them, and I think you're interacting with these people, okay. That makes me suspect that you've got Class A drugs on you, okay. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, you can search me.
Yeah, I'm Peter at Thornwood Police Station in Peterborough. If you want a legal record of the search, you may have one, like a receipt, that's fine. Just you sit down for now. The object of the search is going to be drugs, okay? Do you understand everything what I said?
If he's under 18, doesn't he have to have a reasonable adult with him?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's just for a strip search. We can stop and search anyone on the street, yeah. No? Generally,
All your high ups here, because you're not going to search me for no reason.
Right, what's your name, bud?
I've not done anything.
What's your name? The thing is, right, you are going to get searched. Sit down. You are going to get searched, okay? Yes, you are, because I'm detaining you for a search.
For what? What did I do? Tell me.
I've told you. I've told you.
What have
Okay,
you got on
you're sat here. Listen, are you going to let me speak? I can go through my grounds again with you, yeah? You're sat here in an area where we know young lads deal drugs from. You're talking to...
Have you seen me around here before?
Listen, it doesn't matter. Listen, you're talking to a known Class A drug user, one of which then walks away under the bridge, which makes you suspicious as though they've just got something from you they don't want us to find, okay? You're sat with two lads who've recently been found with drugs and weapons on them, yeah? And your defensive behaviour makes me suspect that
you see what, like,
but all we need is reasonable grounds to suspect. But all we need is reasonable grounds to suspect, mate, to search you, which is what I have right now. Hey?
No, because I haven't been suspicious. So
No, it doesn't work. It's not. No, we don't need to do that. You're going to get searched.
People have been present here, we believe, selling drugs. That's what you said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So, because he sat here, you automatically...
That isn't just that. I've just been through them 3 times, okay? I'm not going through this over and over again. I've said on camera 3 times my grounds, okay? I can't be more clear with my grounds. Right, Arumus, we're going to search you now.
No.
Yes, we are.
No.
Finish eating that.
I haven't done anything, no.
I've tried to explain to you 3 or 4 times, stop and search. You don't have to have committed an offence to get searched.
But
yeah?
I haven't done anything.
I have a reasonable
all,
suspicion.
So
I have a reasonable ground to suspect that you've got drugs on your person.
I'm not even involved. I don't care. I'm not getting searched.
You are.
I haven't done anything.
And we can do it by force if we have to. We don't want to, but we can.
But why the why? What the
Right, I will go over it one more time whilst you're finishing off your pastry. We have arrived at this location. This specific point, we have a lot of issues with lads dealing drugs, okay, and carrying weapons here. Listen, yeah, these two have been caught with drugs on them here, correct, okay. As we've come over here, you've been engaging with a known drug user, and one of them's then quickly walked away under the bridge, which makes me suspect...
drug users, none of my business.
Yeah, but you're engaging with him, yeah? Which makes me suspect he might have got something from one of you that he doesn't want us to find, okay? Your behaviour was immediately defensive, which makes me suspect, because of your location, your behaviour, and who you're with, and the knowledge we know about the people you're with, that you're carrying drugs, okay? That's why. I can't be any more clear than that, alright? Right, this is your last chance. Are you gonna stand up and let us search you?
What are you going to search me for?
I've told you before.
What I haven't done, I'm literally innocent.
Come on.
No, I haven't done anything, bro. What are you...
Don't
Touch me,
don't start.
Oh my days, like, who's mad? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Stop it, bro. Don't. Oh my days.
Right, you're going to go on the floor if you don't calm yourself down. Alright?
Bro.
You're going to release your arm?
Okay.
Release your arm and put them behind your back. It's simple. It's simple.
Okay, I'm calm.
Good lad.
A blade is located in the man's pocket. Officers immediately move to detain him.
Oh, okay.
At the moment,
I don't
mate,
know what that is.
At 14:50, you are under arrest on suspicion of possession of a bladed article. So you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you don't mention word questions, something that you later rely on in court, anything you do so may be given evidence, okay? Do you understand?
Aurimus Leonavicius, aged 20, was later jailed for 22 months after being found guilty of possessing a knife in public, along with multiple drug offences. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you think justice was served. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read everyone. Subscribe for more real cases, raw footage, and breakdowns. New episodes coming soon.